अभी ब्रेकफास्ट हो गया है, आने की वाइट
that was from my old school, and this came from my old school because now I am in Primrose. So this my miss has written that Anay Upadhyay papers and all, like that all, and there are the cars in that cart, and this room is a little messy because I was just playing and I didn't know that we were gonna make a video, so I just played. And here is the world map, which will show us like which place we need to go.
Here is Anay's picture from the graduation day. Then here in these desks we have arranged all the activities which we do at home, like some sand games. These boxes are having different activities. Some are having colors. Here is the musical instrument which Anay uses to play, and in this one there is play-doh, colors, some matching cards, and some alphabets, and some flashcards which we use to play sometimes, and I use for engaging Anay. This is the Dora game, but I bought it because I really liked it, and Anna enjoys matching these matching cards also. These are the colors which I have kept in one bag separately, so that anytime he wants to color, he can just use this whole bag. There is a chalk also inside which he has kept. Here, these are some beads for the activity, and also some alphabets which we use for another activity. So this is how we have arranged everything visibly. Is anytime if he wants. This is the Play-Doh set.
This is my letters when I was small.
Then here everything is related to the roads which he used for his cars. I have also used one carpet to prepare the road. This I have used the road tape which I got from Target, and I have made a road which you can see just down here. And this is Anay's room, and he really loves spending time in his room. Here we have kept some small Legos, blocks, etc. Everything whatever is used by him. In this box there is Play-Doh, cookie cutters and other stuff which he used for playing the Play-Doh game or activity. So this is how in a very simple way we have arranged Anay's room. I hope you all liked it, and we have to do a little more improvisation here. So I have bought some stuff. I am going to improvise just little more, but this is how very simple I have kept it so that he can see everything visibly here. Sometimes he needs rest, so I have put one little sofa kind of here so that he can take some rest also. And this is Anay's room. I hope you all liked it. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Keep watching Vlogging Desi. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself and your family.